So this is a room tour of one of the regular rooms. Which one? Which type is this? This is a deluxe room in the regular Wild Orchid building. So right off the right off the bat, you have your closet. You have your safe here. Roomy closet. You have an extra pillow. You should always check. Here we go. So you have your two seats here. Table. You have your bed, which is very big and comfortable. That's a big thing. And in Angeles, there's a lot of places where you won't find a nice bed. So you have no view when you look out the window, but that's fine. I will plug in the room rates either in the thumbnail or the comments. Here's the air conditioner, and you have a ceiling. You have a ceiling fan that's shaped like leaves, which is nice. Nice big leaves. And here you have the bathroom. This door looks very nice. So you have your toilet bowl. You have your gold toilet paper. Ooh, you have some items here, just so. But you have mini stop right across the street, literally. So you might be able to get some of these items there. But if not, if you didn't want to go outside, you know, they have these things already set up for you. Toothbrush, pretty much everything. So you'd be ready as soon as you got here. You wouldn't have to look into anything. And then the shower here. It's very nice. Big, roomy. Alright, and that is pretty much it for this video tour. This is Penn signing off from Wild Orchid. Adios.